What's up, Cyber Gang, and welcome back to another Cyber Hack video. In this series, we bring you valuable tips to help you make use of your devices to better yourself. Make your devices work for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a killer resume that will get you hired. So stay tuned so you can get the full details how to land your next interview and the bonus tips that I'll be revealing throughout this video. We're living in the age of the coronavirus, and you may be one of many who have lost their jobs, and to help you get ready to land your next interview are some cyber hacks. I have created a previous video on how to make an income online. Go and check that out, and if that's not for you, then this video is. So get your devices ready. In this cyber hack, we're going to focus on your resume. This is the most crucial part to landing that job you're after, as it is where you make your first impression on your potential employer. This determines whether you get the call or not. So in this cyber hack, we're going to teach you how to put your devices to use and sharpen that resume of yours. Maybe you don't know what to put in your resume, or maybe you just want to update your resume. Whatever the case is, there are tons of resume builders out there that can do just that. And I went ahead and tried some of them so you don't have to. Using a resume builder not only automates the task, but ensures your resume includes all the required components that are needed to stand out. And it also helps to minimize errors which can make you look unprofessional. Here are 3 resume builders that you should make use of. My Perfect Resume highlights important skills and keywords. You can upload your own resume or start from scratch. This builder lets you search jobs by title and add them with one click. It offers expert recommendations, and the final step of the My Resume Builder process is to add your optional sections. Resume Genius is as easy as a resume builder gets. This builder asks you a series of multiple choice questions about your education, experience, and only requires you to fill in the blanks, and also give you the option to add pre-written bullet points for creating customized job responsibilities. Resume.com lets you visualize the final product while filling in each section. It gives you more control over your resume. It also has a cool feature which allows you to import information from LinkedIn. And the best part is it's totally free and it has more export options. And if you're not into resume builders, then you can create your own, or you can use some of the free Microsoft Word resume templates that are out there. Remember, if you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more. I will leave all the links down in the description so you can check them out. With all that said, let's get into the bonus tips and help make your resume stand out. Before we get started, it is very important to have a good layout and use basic fonts and colors to give that professional look. Separate your resume into clearly labeled sections and use bullet points to make it easier to read. The very first thing on your resume should be your name and your contact details. It's important that they are up to date and accurate in case your potential employee needs to get in touch. Please use a professional email. Number 2, include a short profile. This is your chance to introduce yourself. Tell them who you are and what do you do. Tell them about your strengths and how valuable you'll be to them. In short, make them understand why they need you. Now comes the experience section. When you reach this section, don't just tell them what your job was and what you did. Capture them by including your key achievements on that job. For example, you can say something like, I created a campaign which increased sales by 10%. It is very important for you to use numbers. It gives your future employer confidence in you. Now comes your education to back up your experience. List your highest degree, your school, and your graduation date. If you don't have much experience, then this is where you list those courses that you aced, and of course your 4.0 GPA. When it comes to skills, you want to make sure that they are relevant. Focus on the skills that apply to the job you're applying for and be specific. Go to the job description and find the skills that they are looking for and use these skills. You want to emphasize more on your hard skills than your soft skills. For example, if you have knowledge in a software, if you are applying for an accounting job, you want to make sure that you tell them you know how to use QuickBooks or some other accounting software. Then you can list your other skills like communication and problem solving and leadership skills. Your interests and hobby section is optional. but you can include them if you think they'll support your application. Most importantly, do not lie on your resume or claim to know more than you do. Recruiters are trained to pick this up. Most companies will offer to train you. After all, honesty is a skill that no company will overlook. When using templates, you want to make some minor changes so your resume doesn't look like everyone else's, so add a personal touch and customize your resume to the company you're applying to. Once you're done, scan your resume with jobscan.co and start your job hunt today, either using LinkedIn or Indeed, or better yet, go in person. If your resume is already perfect, then you can capitalize on this idea and make some extra money by creating resumes for people on Fiverr or Freelancer, or you can simply share this with someone who needs it. After all, sharing is caring. I hope this video helped you to sharpen up your resume writing skills, and with determination and commitment, you will learn that dream job that you're after. And for this video, we'll be helping out one lucky subscriber with their resume. All you have to do is be the first to comment down below, #cybergang, and reach out to us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.